Hi, so on this training, I'm going to show you how to create any type of event, meeting, a webinar, and I'm going to show you how to customize those events. And then I'm going to show you if you want to use it for, you want to make that content available in the future for whether it's for internal training, for marketing or promotion, or just to automate or streamline a process. I'm going to show you how to use that video and automate your process to do your process and videos to do that as well. So this is how you create any type of event. So let's say you go to dashboard, or if you were in all events, you can click on create new event. But right here, you click on create event. So after you create an event, you choose what type of event you want to host, whether it's a live event or you're promoting a live event and you're want people to register in advance. This would be a live event. If you want a pre-recorded event, this can be an instant replay. It can be a video that people register in advance to have interactions with call to actions and quizzes and polling and things like that. It could be a series where you can upload a video or do a live video that runs at the same time every single week. And then, of course, you have a simple meeting where you can host one-to-one calls or group sessions on here as well. So if we were just to host a live event, it'd be a similar process as the pre-recorded event as well. So we'll do Henry webinar demo. So this is automatically creates my promotional URL. We can change this or we can leave it as is. I am in Chicago, so I am in Central Time. And then from here, I can just go through and I can choose a time and a day I want that event to run. So that would be step 2 of 4. So then I click next. Then I can choose what registration or sign up page I want for this event. This is Henry Live Event. So this is the headline. This can be the logo of the company that I would have on the registration page in replacement of Jet Webinar right there. And I will add a description. So I can click on next, and now I have the option to invite attendees. I can take this URL. I can see what my page looks like. It's not going to look like much yet because I haven't uploaded anything. So then when I click on finish, now this allows me to go into the place where I can actually make edits to my entire event campaign. So in here, I can decide if I want to do a free event or if I want this to be paid. If I need to make any changes for the type of event this is or the timing, I could do that here. I have done for you emails that are already set up, ready to go. We can go and click template and add reminder emails directly on here. We can change this information out so it reflects the event. We just add different timing based on the emails that we want to go out and when we want them to go out. If we want to change the registration page, so here if we can upload logos, headline, sub-headline, if we have a registration page video, if we want to give a speaker name or title or upload their image or add a description of what the event is going to be about. This is where we would enter in that. If we want to collect a phone number or an address or a referral or whatever that might be, we could add custom fields and collect that information as well. And then you would just click save after you make all those changes. Thank you page is actually already set up unless you want to have your own thank you page. The webinar room, this is where you can have different call to actions for people based on how they engage with your event. And so basically now from here, what you want to do is that you have a setup of and an understanding of how these events run. And so now that you know how these events run, so after you see, let's say we want to host our live event, now we want to click live. We're going to go in the room and then we want to record that video. So let's go in the room. We're going to go join the webinar. So once we're in here, we're going to click record. After After our event is over, we stop the recording. That video becomes available in media, and so now we can go in the edit section here, and we can click on video, and we can make this a replay video, or we have the option to go into all events and we can duplicate all of those settings that we already did here. It looks like I previously did that here twice already. So I can go in here and moved over all of the same settings from the live event. I can just go into general and switch it from whether I want it to be instant replay or a pre-recorded event that I can choose when I want it to run, every 15 minutes, every hour, or on a weekly schedule that I can limit how far in advance someone can sign up. So you have different options of how that can be available, and this is a great way to just automate the process. So you do a live event, you can make it an evergreen asset to help automate, streamline both workflow automation, marketing, and sales training. So this should help at least give you a good understanding of how to just take one live video, one recording, and use it for different purposes as an instant replay or as a way to engage with people while you're actually sleeping with call to actions and polls and different ways to engage and actually get messages incoming and have a way to follow up with them after the event is over. So hope that gives you some clarity on a couple different ways on setting this up. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at Jet Webinar or support at businesshangouts.com, and we'll be more than happy to give you a walkthrough and actually help set up your first event if you need it. Thank you very much.